In catilinam 6.1 through 3. Quid est enim? For what is it, Catiline? Quod, which. So here's your relative pronouns referring back to this question word. What is there which? This is an interrogative. Wow, interrogative antecedent, which means we're going to get into a relative clause of characteristics soon. What is there which possit? This baby's subjunctive because relative clause characteristic. All right. Which is able to please you. There's your DO there. And infinitive there, complementary. Infinitive in this city. Relative phrase there. So you see, this is subjunctive because the antecedent of this relative pronoun is indefinite in the sense that it's interrogative. It's asking a question. This is also a rhetorical question because he knows the answer, which is nothing. In qua nemo est, in which, all right, chunk there, nemo est, there's nobody. All right, another negative there. Guess what? We're going to see another relative clause of characteristic. There's nobody extra outside of that conspiracy of profligate human beings. Big prepositional phrase there. Who, now the antecedent of this is nemo. So, negative antecedent again. There's nobody who non metuat te, does not fear you. And this is subjunctive because of the relative clause of characteristic. Nemo qui non oderit, nobody who doesn't hate you. This is a perfect subjunctive for the same reason. And now we're out of that. Quae nota domesticae turpitudinis, what mark of domestic foulness, shame, non inusta vitae tua est, has not been burned into your life. Whew. This is tough stuff here. This wonderful word turpitudinous, foulness, shamefulness. And the big news here is two relative clauses, characteristic, and that happens when you have these negative antecedents of these relative pronouns. Quid in this case is an interrogative, and in this case, nemo and nemo are the antecedents of the qui and the qui. So they too are indefinite in the sense that they're negative. They don't really exist. And that's why you got to use those subjunctives, metuat here, oderit here, because it's speculative information.